Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a 0xc00007b error on Windows PC. 100% working solution guys. Just click on OK. And you just need to open up Chrome and search process monitor. Press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down. Select the download process monitor. And it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to run this procmon. Select yes. Now you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to select a file and select a capture events. Now you just need to select this erase option. Just click on it. And now all will be cleared up. Now you just need to select this filter option next to erase, and in the first drop down you just need to select a process name, and you just need to type the exe file name. To know that, you just need to run the application you getting this error. In my case I am getting this error in Epic Games Launcher. Just run the application. Now you just need to type the application's exe name over here, Epic Games Launcher .exe. After typing it, you just need to click on OK. Click on add option. Select apply and OK option. And now you just need to select the file on the top and select capture events. And now you just need to open the application that you are getting this error. Now you just need to wait for 1 minute to get lots of events over here. After the 1 minute, you just need to click on this OK. Now you just need to select the file on the top and select capture events again. And now in this results, you just need to find the name with name not found. Just full screen this, and as you can see the name not found. You just need to right click on it and select highlight name not found option, and now it will be highlighted like blue boxes. Now you just need to drag this path to this to see the file path, and see if you have any DLL files highlighted one time. You just need to ignore that. If you have any DLL files highlighted more times, then that is the DLL file is broken or corrupted. In my case I have X input DLL file, as you can see 1 2 3. Then you just need to note down the name of the DLL file. I'm just noting down X input 1 underscore 3.dll. As you can see I have lots of X input 1 underscore 3.dll listed over here. Then this is the DLL file I'm getting this error. Now you just need to close stuff here and open up File Explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, find Windows folder, double click on it. Now find System32 folder, just double click on it. In search, you just need to search the DLL file and delete it guys. In my case the DLL file name is X input underscore 1 underscore 3.dll. After deleting it, you just need to go back like this and go back to Windows. And now you just need to double click on the SYS wow 64 folder, and you just need to do the same thing guys. Just find the DLL file and delete it. x input 1 underscore 3.dll file. This is the file I'm getting the problem. Just right click on it and select delete it. Select continue. And after doing it, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Chrome, search DirectX download, press enter, select the first link, scroll down, select the download option and download it, select the setup file and install it, select yes, select I accept the argument and select uncheck this install the Bing bar and select next. Now this will install the deleted DLL files for you. Select the next option and install it. After getting installation complete, you just need to select the finish option and now you can open the application without having any problem. As you can see, I solved the problem in front of you. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.